Okediran. What's the next question? AKA Ebs Mama.
AKA Momo.
AKA EB. AKA Ebs. So, what I like to do, I like to read. I am a researcher. I like to cook. Pretty much, I like to do things like that. What else am I supposed to say? So, because I lecture sometimes, I'm kind of like strict. I'm not like all fun. It's like by default. You know that thing that makes you feel like you have to put up a straight face, yes. But when you get to know me, I'm very, very easygoing. I don't know if I like to meet people, but when I do, I think I just warm up to them. What else? My best food is moi moi. Moi moi. God will not bless you if you put it inside leaf. And fish. And they even used to say the moi moi, LMJ, that type of moi moi. Yes, my favorite food is moi moi. I don't like plantain. I think it's overrated. I know some of you will be like, who says that? I said it. Yes. What else? My favorite color is black. I love black. I love any color that is neutral. You will never see me. On yellow. I hate that color. It's unnecessarily bright. What? Why are you being so bright? So that's. I don't like yellow. You'd see me in anything neutral. Blue, black, white, anything nude. I'm not shouting. Yeah. That's what you see me do. The thing to do is reading. Strange, right? Yes, that's how I do it. Yes, it's fun. That's fun is reading. Fun thing to do is reading, to be honest. And okay, I love to listen to music, so you don't make it look like, oh, I like the next fun thing to do is music. I like to listen to music. Sales and business developer. So my role is to liaise with organizations, companies, pair our talent with companies, and of course look forward to partnership with broader organizations within and outside of Nigeria. I'm working at Zacrac. I think experience has been good, and that's my experience. It's been good. I've been learning stuff. There are things that I would not normally do. I've started to do them. Tools that I have not known to use, I started to use them since I joined Zacrac. Thank you, Zacrac. The interesting part about my work is the fact that I get to meet people within Nigeria and outside of Nigeria. So I get the opportunity of interacting with people that are not in the same Niger space as me. So that's the interesting part about. The boring part about my job is when you have to reach out to companies or partner with getting a contact for companies. That's one. The second boring part is now reaching out to them. They will not now reply. You will now be sending emails. Babe, please, did you see the mail that I sent to you? Some will read it, some will not read it, and even the ones that read it, they will still not reply. I think that's the boring part about my job in Zacrac, waiting for feedback and knowing that they've read it, because I'm using this tool that make me know when they open my mail. So it's not a case of did they get my mail, they got it, but they just will not reply. So it's just really boring that I have to do that every time, and still they will still not reply. That's the boring part about my job. That's the boring part about my job at Zacrac. Yeah. First, see that cabinet, that the present room, I don't know how to name it, just so that if they see the video. The present one, this 2022, because I don't also know when you see this video. 2022 cabinet, first of all, I did not say it, but that was what I was just there. So yeah. I don't have a favorite colleague. I'll probably say the person that I interact with more, that would be Shade. Fola Shade from Zacrac. You get that email? Shade from Zacrac. Yes, that's the person that I interact with most in Zacrac. So I studied computer science, first degree Babcock University, second degree computer science, area of specialization is artificial intelligence. Babcock University. Babcock. Why Babcock? Are you serious? Why not Babcock? Am I supposed to go to some school that they don't visit them during IT? Do you want me to say the name? We are calling Futa. That's the school. They don't visit them. That's the school they don't visit during IT. But I mean, why not Babcock? Babcock. I think first it has to do with my area of like my field. Yes, that's like my first goal. So I'm not going to be reading something that does not concern me, right? But yeah, the fact that I like to read, I think I touch base with almost anything that I find interesting, just so that when I'm having conversation, I can have something to talk about. You should pick up a book today and read, because you don't want to be that person that does not know politics or sport or whatever. So just because I feel like we had like a game session, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this part. They asked, what is it I like about like myself? I like to explore things. I'm not like, because yes, I don't know everything in AI or in computing, but I feel like to an extent, I know what that is. So I chose to apply that into business development, and yes, it works. So you need to try it. It works. I mean, I'm already in it. I have 2 international papers published. So yeah, that's like, I'm into AI as it is. So yeah, final words, pick up a book and read. They'll send you a mail, you will not read it. They will send you link to check the website, you will not read. You will not be calling our customer care rep. Wait, what did they say? Please find time to read. Read the website. Read anything that is sent to you. It can be frustrating. The person that sat down and composed those messages feels frustrated when you call her back to ask her the same question that she put to you. So please try to read. It's not even a book, it's a flyer. So why is it so difficult? So please try to read. Okay, so they said I should sit down. So please, when they send you anything, any content, I would appreciate it that you read. Nothing will happen if you read. So please read. Thank you. Bye.